what do they ask of us? Create a random number with math.random, then multiply it by 100. So math.random, and then we're going to go ahead and multiply it by 100. Is incorrect. Okay, so now you can see that it gives us a decimal. So now we're going to need to use the math.floor object. So now use math.floor to make the output a whole number. It's going to round this number down to 86, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, because if it was 50, it would round it up to 87. So inside the console.log, you wrote in the last step, put existing math.random multiplied by 100 code inside the parentheses of math.floor. So let's take math.floor. Just make sure that math.random multiplied by 100 is within the parentheses of math.floor. Otherwise, you're going to get an error in your terminal. And as you can see, it shows the number 11. That's interesting. But if you run it again, 24. And if you run it again, 36. If you run it again, 29. Random numbers. Right, so the first thing they ask us is, inside of console.log, create a random number with math.random, then multiply it by 100. So we're going to take console.log. We're going to use the math object, math.random, to get a random number. And then we're going to multiply it by 100 so that we can get a random number between 0 and 100. So if we run this, as you can see, there's a random number between 0 and 100, which is 98.589346, name it. So now we want to get rid of this part just after the decimal part. So we need a math object method to fix that. So now use math.floor to make the output a whole number. Inside console.log, you wrote in the last step, put the existing math.random multiplied by 100 console code inside the parentheses of math.floor. So make sure that math.floor, or make sure that math.random multiplied by 100 is within the math.floor parentheses. Okay, so math.floor, math.random. Let's run that. As you can see, there's a whole number, 25. And if you run it again, it's going to give you a whole number over and over again. I can run it again, see 44. But it's going to give me issues now because I'm on step 3. Let me run it one more time. You see number 11, random number. Right, great. Moving on.